Alright, we're live. The Walmart sign for the entrance just went. Just as soon as I finished the other video. We'll see where that flies. Right now it's kind of half wrapped around a tree over there. But the Walmart sign over near Del Prado just popped off. Ooh, wrong Gus. That's the Walmart sign for the main entrance. The Walmart sign went. We got water in the ditches, lots of tree damage. Got damage to the roof. I want to head over there because we got those branches right above it, especially if we're getting close to the eye wall. Ooh. I heard a crack. You see it black out for a second. It's got putting my finger on the camera to dry it off. I hear some heavy wind coming. Live video inside the eye. Just now.